Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So in this video, I'll be showing you the basics of Arduino. So whenever you start the program, this is what the screen looks like. And you may be wondering, well, how do I start coding? What are all these? So void setup is basically where you define whether your device is an input or an output. For example, a sensor will be an input device because it feeds information to the Arduino. An LED or a buzzer will be an output because the Arduino will be giving an output to the LED or buzzer. So in void setup you can make a command run once, and in void loop you can make the same command run forever. So let's start. So the first function is int. What int does is you can give a custom name to any pin on the Arduino. For example, I can type LED is equal to 10. So the pin number 10 will be defined as LED in this code. We can do this to various pins. For example, sensor will be for pin number 9. So what is void setup? As I've already told you, we can type whether we want to do the function once only, or you can also define these as input or output. So we can define this. So what pin mode does it tells Arduino that we are defining a pin. For example, LED comma output. So we are telling the Arduino that the LED is an output device and pin mode sensor is an input device. So there are two types of digital functions. One is digital write, which will this is used for any output devices, and there's one for digital read, which is for taking input from sensors. Then if you're using any analog pins, you have to use analog write or analog read, whatever input or output you're using. For this we'll be using the digital pins, so we'll write digital write. So this is a code for a blinking LED. So what we are telling is we are giving a command to the LED, that is pin number 10. So LED comma high. So what this will do is it will turn on the LED. High means on and low means 0. So in digital codes there are two types of binary functions, 1 and 0. So you can also write 1 or 0 over here. It's no big deal. Then delay. Delay is how long it should keep this command running. But when you use delay and if you have other commands running, it won't it will stop everything, all the other commands, and it will only run this command. So delay 1000. So Arduino measures all the time in millisecond. So 1000 means a second. Next, we'll do digital write LED comma low. So what this will do is it will turn on the LED and wait for a second. Then it will turn off the LED. Now we need to keep the delay as 1000. So what this will do is it will turn on the LED, wait for a second, turn off the LED and wait for a second. And this will be looped forever because it is in void loop. Whereas if you do this in void setup, it will do this only once. So you have to decide what you have to do. If you want something, for example, in serial monitors where you want to print something only once, you can do that in void setup. Once again. So for example, if you want to write anything on serial monitor, to do serial.begin and what bandwidth you want it in. So the basic is 9600. Then you can write serial dot print. Then there's two functions. ln is to print on a separate line and just print to print on the same line. So we can type hi and this will do it only once, whereas if you do this over here, it will keep on doing it forever. So yeah. So next, what about sensors? In sensors, we use the read command. So if bracket sensor is equal to high. So what this is, excuse me, in programs is equal to means 1 is equal to in common language. So yeah, so then we can do high. So what this will do is, whenever the sensor gives an output of 1, when it detects something, it will turn on the LED, and we can copy the same thing again. And instead of this, we can type it as low. So what this command will do is, whenever it detects something, it will turn on the LED, and whenever it does not detect anything, it will just turn off the LED. And these need commas, not full stops. Yeah. So these are the basics in sensors. So if you're using motors, even this is the same thing, but only thing you need to use a motor driver, because otherwise you will burn off the LEDs. So these are the basics in Arduino. The end command, where you can name anything you want. Pin mode, defining whether it's an input or an output. Then serial begin is for using serial monitors, or you can also use it to display on LCD panels. Then you need to define the pins of the LCD and use it as LCD dot begin, serial begin, then LCD dot print, and so on. But you need libraries for that. Now what are libraries, that I'll be explaining at some other time. So these are like the most basic commands you need to learn to start Arduino. Thank you.